First time I saw you, I didn't even blink. Heart hit harder than I had time to think. You weren't just beauty, you were peace in disguise. A soft-spoken truth behind honest eyes. I can broke and carrying baggage and blame, but you love me not for money or fame. Now I'm learning love ain't just flowers and fire. It's standing in storms and still choosing desire. Talk through silence, hands say more than words. You my calm in chaos, peace I never deserved. Late nights dreaming of the life we'll build, with little hearts running and the world stilled. No lies, no games, no fear between. You're the queen in my dream, in my daily scene. If I fail, I rise for your sake. You're the reason my heart still learns how to break.